Morning everyone, it's Mrs. Lewis at school and I'm in the polytunnel and I'm going to be doing some planting this morning, and I just thought I'd give you an idea and show you what's growing in the polytunnel at the moment. So here I've got some peas and some beans, and they're really easy to plant. You can just put a few of them into a pot. Any vegetables you can plant much the same way, and it's a really good time to be growing our own food if we can. Let's pop them in with some soil into a pot. Soil, compost, anything will do. And then we need to get a watering can and give them good water. And that's all they need, just to be put out in the sunshine. The weather's nice enough now that they can go straight outside and then they'll grow. And over here we've got some that are growing already. So these are some beans that I planted just a few weeks ago. Look how big they've got. And then we've got some peas growing here, and they've also got really nice and big. And there's lots of other things growing in here at the moment. We've got some radishes. The radishes have grown so much that they're ready to eat. And there's lots of other things. There's some cress and there's some sweet corn coming through. And there's lots of lettuce. There's some nice lettuce over here. Red and green lettuce coming through. So everything's growing. All the things that the Snag and Eco group planted, they're all coming through really well. And yesterday we moved some of the beans and the peas into the garden so I can show you them in the bed. So once they've grown a bit bigger, they need a stick or something to wrap themselves around, and then they can grow lovely and tall, and we'll have lots of nice peas and beans in June. And the garden's looking really nice. There are raspberries growing, and there are lots of things coming through in the beds. These are lettuces and radishes, and there are some courgettes growing. There's more lettuce and beetroot coming through here, and we've got some herbs growing. So everything's going really well, and hopefully come June and July we'll have lots of lovely vegetables.